As you saw me spraying that door, we were going to do a little bit talking about blockages. Believe it or not, it happened naturally. It was probably about here. So what we do with a blockage is, rule of thumb is we should always use the trigger lock. Then we turn the tip, release the trigger lock, shoot the paint, repeat the process. Okay. I know that you guys on site probably won't do that. So as a fellow sprayer, one of the things that we always do is we always have our fingers behind the trigger whenever we're messing around here. Okay, so all you do is push it a full 180, it won't go any more, just once. You don't have to spray it twice. That bit of crap has gone, the blockage is sorted, we're back. The trick is not to go back over what you've already done, because if you double coat it, it will run. The trick is to start in the opposite direction, come up to it, when you hit it, just blend off. Once you've done that, you have a choice. Because I'm already further up the door, I would start here. If it was at the bottom of the door, I would start at the bottom.